Alright people, let's do this one last time. My nickname is Todd. 4 years ago, I made my decision to become a UX designer, and in the meantime, I've done a lot of things. I started my career as a junior designer, I got new projects, and I got another project, another one, and another one. Of course, I got punished by my managers. I totally screwed up some of my projects. I got fired, but after all these, I still love being a UX designer. And also, I found some ways to help you become a UX designer, which you're about to learn. Alright, so first let's start with this one. You have to find your interest. Look, UX is a broad discipline. We have so many people working in this industry. We have people who create the actual design, UI and UX designer. We have people who focus on user research. We have people who write user-focused content. We have people who conduct usability testing sessions and so much more on. So that's why the first thing you need to do is to decide what part of user experience would you want to focus on. With a clear understanding of your future role, you'll be able to pinpoint the soft and hard skills you'll need to be successful. Alright, after you found your interest, it's time for us to find a tool that suits you. Look, first things first, I don't think you have that much of a choice in here. I mean, you can only choose 3 or 4 tools they're basically for UX. They've been created for UX designers. But you can choose other tools as well, like Paint or other things. According to Adobe research, 42% of hiring managers say that the knowledge of UX tools is the most important skill they're looking for in any designer or engineer. So how would you want to find the tool? What I suggest is to mastering any kind of tool that helps you visualize your ideas. What I'm saying right now is use any tool that you're comfortable with. I mean, if you're good at Photoshop, do it. If you can work with Adobe XD like I do, just use it. If you're good at Illustrator, do it. Can you visualize your ideas with Paint? Why don't you use it? Remember, no matter what you do in the field of UX design, the most important skill you're gonna have is to communicate your design. I mean, you heard the sentence that an image is 1,000 words and a prototype is 1,000 meetings. As you play around with different tools, save and collect your best work for your portfolio. You can show it off in Dribbble or Pinterest, or post it on Instagram, or post it in Facebook groups. By the way, I do have a Facebook group with the name of Domix Design. The link is down in the description. Don't forget to join the group. Alright, let's do, what should we do now? Yeah, I got it. You should create your portfolio. Once you have your practical experience and real project under your belt, it's time to create your portfolio. A stellar portfolio is absolutely necessary if you want to land any kind of UX design work. It's what most clients or companies will use to inform their hiring decision, as it demonstrates the candidate's design process and problem-solving skills. Make sure to have these items in your next portfolio. Present each of your project as a case study. I mean, use a storytelling format for each of your case studies. The story should start with a problem, explain your design process, demonstrate your problem-solving skill and abilities, and also present the final results. Don't forget to do that. Next thing is to provide context. Each piece in your portfolio should include the target audience and explanation of why you choose your design solution and a demonstration of how users interact with the current design. And the last one is to use visuals to showcase your work. Sketches, wireframes, and prototypes you create along the way will help people understand and evaluate the outcomes of your work. And also, one of my friends from India, Harshit Bishit, I don't know if you're watching, Harshit, if you're watching right now, hello from here, just sent me one of his portfolios, and in my next video, which be a few days later, I'll be analyzing. So each one of you who wants me to analyze your design, just don't forget to send me your designs on my LinkedIn profile. The link is down in the description. I'll be looking forward to your designs. Alright, let's get serious. This is the final and the most important part of this video, the interview part. Look, it's usually a pretty simple process, but it's really crucial. You want to have your full focus on this part. If you don't pass this interview, if you don't snag this interview, you won't get any jobs. So once you have your portfolio ready, you have to start applying for jobs. You have to have your full focus on this part, and you have to be ready for it, and you have to get ready for that. If your portfolio looks good, you have a pretty high chance to get that job and snag that interview. Since you're new to the field, the interviewer may doubt your abilities in design, which you have to show them they're wrong, which you have to show them that you've been born to get this job. Once again, I've helped you with this part. I've recently posted a video with just about interview questions and UX design interview. There are 6 common questions. I'm not actually so sure that they'll be asked from you, but they've been asked from more than 50% this year, 50% of designers this year. In that video, I told you 6 common questions that most of people have been asked in this year, and the link is up here. Don't forget to click on it and watch it. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I'd really appreciate it if you enjoyed it. If I could help you, don't forget to drop us a like down below. It helps us have more energy to create this kind of content. Until next video, stay safe.